for the poor lighting, but I wanted to show you guys the new shower curtains and rugs that we got for the bathroom. We got this set from Walmart. This is a nice like baby blue marble design. This is going into our bedroom, the master bedroom. And then this other set right here, this is the purple set with this nice like flower design. This one is going into the guest room, so it's going to be a nice purple lilac-y color. I just made myself some brunch, just eggs, rice, and some broccoli on the side here. I have some of my coffee, which has a lot of milk and creamer in it.
이름 그렇게 부르지 마 자꾸 약해지잖아 취해서 전화해도 받지 마 뭐 꽃을 버릇됐잖아 내 이름 그렇게 부르지 마 자꾸 헷갈리잖아 밥 먹을 때 물 따라주지 마 챙겨주는 것 같잖아 접기 떼고 타지 말 때마다 너의 문자 하나에 무너지고.
Got this handy dandy tool from Amazon. This is so great to sweep up your dog's hair, especially if they shed a lot.
무섭더라 짧은 시간이었지만 그 정 때문에 미련하기도 또 미련하게 나쁜 남자에게 또 끌려버렸네 나쁜 자식 나쁜 자식
This is the hair.
나쁜
That's just in the
자식
living room.
이끌린다 나쁜 자식 나쁜 자식 나쁜 자식 왜 끌릴까 나쁠 거면 끝까지 나쁘던가 왜 자꾸 좋았다 나갔다 해 이거 밀당하는 거랑 좀 달라 둘만 있을 때 널 좋아할 뻔했던 내가 짜증날 뿐이야 당하고 또 당하면 내 잘못도 있겠지 그렇다고 너무 착한 남잔 재미없잖냐 이게 내 팔자인 것 같은데 어쩌겠니 어쩌겠어 사랑한단 말을 아끼다 보니 쓸 데가 없어졌네 없어졌어 접기 떼고 타지 말 때마다 너의 문자 하나에 무너지
So I just finished putting up this curtain for the guest room and I love it so much. I wish I can use this as a background. I also changed out the rugs as well.
하지만 그 정 때문에 미련하기도 또 미련하게 나쁜 남자에게 또 끌려버렸네 I don't believe in love anymore Because the truth is 나만 바라볼 남자는 없더라 시간이 지나
Pause. Okay. Take it. Good boy. Sky. Pause. Pause. Wait, pause. Good boy. Take it. That's your treat for today. Okay, so while the boys enjoy their treats, I have this box full of their toys that they messed up. Look at this. Can you guys see that? This poor little avocado. So all of these toys I'm going to try to sew up. Let's see that. I do sew the toys a lot. I just try to save them so they can be reused. It's such a waste if I just throw this away, you know, like everything else is still good. It's just this top part that got messed up. So I try my best to just sew these for the boys. So these are the ones that I worked on. This donut. I did Jack. His ears are gone. Did this little donut. This little popsicle. I don't know what this one is. This little puppuccino. It's so blurry. And then of course the avocados. So much. What are you gonna play with? Pooh boy, which one are you grabbing, buddy? Sky. Sky is really possessive with toys. So yeah, I really need to train you on that. I don't know how, but yeah, he can be just really, really possessive with treats and toys, huh? Oh, come here. Sky, you want to share, buddy? Oh boy, come here, buddy. Sky, you have to share, okay? You have two in your mouth. He literally has two toys in his mouth. No. Sky, you have to share. People usually like smaller ones here. He literally has two toys in his mouth. Look at that. Yeah, that's not good. Oh, hi, buddy. Okay, buddy. He just likes playing by himself. Huh. Okay. You done? Alright, so we're actually outside now taking this boy and the other one. I can't find him. Where's Pooh? Pooh man. Taking them to the dog park. We make sure to take them to the dog park or take them on a walk, just so they can let out their energy since they've been home all day. We just want them to be active, so yeah, especially this one. Hi Pooh. I'm just sitting there. Oh.
Hi buddy. Sit. Wait. Come.
So it is dinner time. I am starving, and for dinner I have the orange chicken from Trader Joe's. No, it's not from Panda Express, but it tastes just like the one from Panda Express. So if you like it, then you definitely should try it from Trader Joe's. I'm like so hungry right now, so I'm going to be eating this. Added some furikake onto my rice. It just makes everything taste so much better. Thank you. Also drinking some Jamaican Me Happy. This is the Seagram's Escapes. I love this brand. Riza, aka my girlfriend. She's also eating some dumplings from Trader Joe's. It's also really good, so if you like dumplings, go and get some. So I am going to end my vlog here. It is 11 p.m. already, and I'm about to go take a shower and just relax for the rest of the night. Usually after this time I'm not so productive anymore, so I just like to chill, be on my phone, and just relax. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy my productive day. I feel like mostly it's a chore day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of my little family here on YouTube. I'd appreciate that so much. And if you like these type of videos, please let me know, and I definitely do more. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for the support, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.